iwi ko wala tēnei no te reo irirangi o Aotearoa. Just currently at my whare here in Tite Bay. Look, we've spoken to a bunch of different people from different domains this week, and one person being Puawaitanga Winterburn. Now, she is the founder of Fit Wahine NZ. She gave us some awesome tips on keeping motivated during this time, and also who Fit Wahine NZ is for, who they support. Nō reira, e te iwi anei, ana kōrero.
Tēnā tātou katoa, o te Puawaitanga Winterburn tōku ingoa. I started an Instagram page actually about 2.5 years ago and realised that sharing my story towards fitness and health was empowering and inspiring other wahine out there to get on board and get on the fitness and hauora waka. I take my classes in one of the local community halls here in Otaki. Our kaupapa is all about empowering wahine and Māmā to become the best, most amazing versions of themselves and really using fitness as the vehicle. We value the Māori holistic health model, Te Whare Whapawha, as our guiding principles. And another massive value of ours that we are normalising te reo Māori in fitness. So we play waiata Māori, I also speak te reo Māori, and just really normalising te reo Māori in our daily classes. We're really inclusive of all wahine and Māmā to our Fit Wahine community. So it doesn't matter whether you are Māori or Pākehā or Hapani, you're all welcome to come and move together in our community.
Ehua, I hear you've been recently searching for ambassadors. How's the response for that been?
Yeah, so we are searching for wahine and Māmā to join our Fit Wahine NZ community. And with our ambassador search, you will receive a free online membership, unlimited membership to all our classes. So if that is you, please check out our Fit Wahine NZ Instagram page, Puawaitanga_Fit Wahine NZ or Fit Wahine Fit Māmā on Instagram. It's really empowering to just hear and see these stories that these Māmā and these wahine are sharing on this platform, and it's just so inspiring and a huge reason why I do what I do.